What is going on, everybody? Alright, so for today's video blog, we're going to talk about something that seems to be in the top of everyone's minds, and that is what is happening to the real estate market. I've been seeing a variety of opinions, a bunch of articles being shared on Facebook, different news segments. The other day I saw one economist was predicting a 40% correction, which is actually a crash if it's 40%. And on the other side, I saw another article being shared that was talking about how it's just going to be a slight lull in the market, and we're actually going to go pick back up and go back into a tight seller's market in the next few months. One thing you need to keep in mind is these are both opinions, okay? Everybody's got an opinion on what's going on. You know what they say about opinions, all right? But the whole thing is nobody can actually guarantee what is going to happen moving forward. Absolutely nobody. I can make you a guarantee, and the guarantee I can make you is there's going to be listings, there's going to be sales, and property prices are going to fluctuate. That's as close to a guarantee as anyone can give you. Nobody can tell you exactly what's going to happen in the future, all right? You've got economists working for these huge banks that have billions of dollars at their disposal. They've got tons of data that we don't even have anything remotely close to it, and they can't agree on what's going to happen. So you think Jacob from Durham region is going to be able to predict exactly what's going to happen? No. I can make an educated guess as to what's going to happen and go from there. But if anyone's telling you that they know exactly what's going to happen, they're full of it. Because if they did, they'd be out making billions of dollars in the market as opposed to just posting videos online. All right, so please keep that in mind. Educate yourself, look at differing views to see what makes more sense to you, but don't take anybody just 1,000% at their word because they even don't know. All right. However, what I can tell you what's happening in the market right now is, yes, we have seen a 7% decrease in property values since April. That's drastic if you're looking at it just from a 2-month perspective. However, we always look at things on a year-over-year basis, and looking at it on a yearly basis, we're still up in property values over 30%, which is significant. And keep in mind, when you're having property prices go up that much, you're going to have some fluctuations, all right? Other side people keep saying is, oh, well, it's a buyer's market now. All right. No, it's not a buyer's market. It just shows how spoiled we've been over the last couple of years, that just the fact that we've got some listings coming onto the market, we're considering that a buyer's market. We're not even close to a buyer's market. We're actually right now going into a balanced market. If this continues, yes, we might be encroaching into buyer market territory, but as it is right now, it's still a good time to sell. You're still realizing huge gains in your property values, and you just need to market it. It's not like you can put the house on the market for a day and it's going to sell. As well, it shouldn't be like that, okay? But keep it in perspective. It's not as bad or as crazy as people are making it out to be. What I'll continue to do is I'll continue to get these stats and break them down for you. If you have any questions, you ever wonder what's happening right now, don't hesitate to get in touch. Jacob at SoldByJacob.com. You can reach me on Facebook and Instagram, both SoldByJacob. And yeah, I'm always open to hearing dialogue. If you disagree with me or if you think something else is going to happen, I'd love to hear different theories as to what's going to happen. But again, nobody knows. That's all I wanted to get this video across is nobody can guarantee what's going to happen because no one's got the crystal ball. All right, hope you guys are having a good one, and we'll talk soon.